Hello, let's start today's session. Please come and sit in a comfortable position, whatever is suitable for you. It is cross leg position, Ardha Padmasana and Padmasana also. So I'm in sitting in cross leg position. Straighten your spine and your neck. Let's make mudra of our hands. Joint your thumb and index finger. It is called a Gyan Mudra, and keep them on your knees. Just close your eyes and inhale, exhale, breathe in and breathe out. Try to calm your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we will start our practice with Om chanting. Now inhale and chant Om. Again, we have to chant Om. Inhale, and with exhalation we have to chant Om. Om is called the universal sound which gives so much relaxation to our body and mind. Let's feel the vibration once. Inhale and chant Om. Now slowly bring your hands up and rub your palms. Try to produce heat in your palms. Now bring them on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and blink for 2-3 times. Now we are ready for further practices. So let's start. Stand up. Now first we will do some warm up exercise. Let's start with our feet. Keep your hands beside you. Inhale, come on your toes. Try to balance the body. Exhale down. Now inhale, come on your toes. Balance the body and exhale. Let's try it for 10 times. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up and down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now bend your knees and just start rotating them in clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 from anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now hold your waist, keep your legs apart. Now you have to make a circle with your waist in clockwise direction. Now 1, 2, 3. Try to make a big circle. 4 and 5. Now 5 from anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bring your legs near. Now lift your hands up And with your fingers you have to touch your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now rotate. Now start rotating them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 5 in another direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let's start for neck muscles. Now inhale, go up, exhale, come down. You just have to move your neck muscles, okay? Inhale up, inhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now you have to move your neck from right to left and left to right. Now inhale, go right, exhale, come center. Now inhale, go left, exhale, come center. Inhale, go right, exhale, come center. Inhale, go left, exhale, come center. Now start rotating your neck. Keep the chin down and just start rotating in clockwise direction very gradually. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Last 5. Now 5 in anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3. Keep your shoulders free. You don't have to lift your shoulders, okay? 4 and last 5. Now warm-up exercise has done. Now we will do Surya Namaskar, which is again a very powerful yogic practices which improves blood circulation in our body and boosts our immunity. Let's start Surya Namaskar. Come ahead on your mat. Come ahead on your mat. Now lift your hands beside you and lift up. Keep them in Namaskar Mudra. In Namaskar Mudra, in front it is like Namaskar Mudra. Keep your hands near your heart. Yes. Now inhale and exhale. Now inhale and bring your hands up. Just slowly bend your spine at the back. Now come down. Bend your spine and come forward and try to touch your toes and the ground with your hands. It is called third step, which is Padahastasana. Now fourth step. Fourth step, we have to lift our left leg at the back. Now come and sit on right leg. You can bring your knee on the ground, your left knee on the ground, and sit on the right leg and look up. You have to look up. This is the fourth position, which is called Ashwa Sanchalan. Now fifth position or fifth step, you have to take your right leg at the back also. It is Parvatasana. You have to touch your whole feet on the ground and just look at your navel region. Look at your navel region. It is fifth step, Parvatasana. Now next, keep your knees down, your chest down and your chin down. Sashtanga Namaskar. Now lift your body up. Lift your body up in Cobra posture. Hold for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 8th step, you have to lift your knees and again come in Parvatasana. Look at your navel region. Try to touch your whole feet on the ground. It is 8th step. Next, now you have to bring your left leg in between your hands and sit on the left leg and bring your right leg's knee on the ground and look up. 9th step. And for 10th step, you have to bring your right leg also in between your hands. Hold your ankles and try to touch your forehead to the knees. Now slowly roll up your spine. Now slightly bend your spine at the back. 12th step. Come back in 12th position, which is again Namaskara Mudra. So Surya Namaskar is a practice which includes 12 steps, and together all these 12 steps make a one set. On regular basis, we have to perform at least 5 sets in a day of Surya Namaskar, which can give immense benefits to our body. Now Surya Namaskar is done. Please sit on your mat. And brings your legs in front of you. Let's start some leg exercise. Keep your toes tucked in. Out, in and out. When you tuck your toes in, you have to inhale, and when you keep your toes out, you have to exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep your spine straight. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep them apart. Start rotating them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 5 in opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will do the Vakrasana. First, you have to bend your right leg knee. Place your right leg at the back. Now lift your left hand and cross the right leg and try to hold your right leg's feet. You have to hold tightly and just look at the back. Hold the position for 5 seconds. Now slowly come back. Now you have to do with the left leg. Now bend your left leg and lift your right hand. Cross the left leg and try to hold the feet and keep your left hand at the back. Keep your another leg straight and look at the back. Vakrasana, which is very beneficial for our internal organs like pancreas. Now come back. Now we will do the cow face pose. Bend your both knees. You have to cross your right leg and place your knees in this position so that they come in alignment. They come in a line. Sit in this position is also very beneficial. Now bring your right hand up and keep at the back. Now lift your right. Take your left hand also at the back. Try to touch your fingers and hold your fingers. Keep look in front and hold the position for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now change the position. We will do the same with the left leg also. Now change position. Now your left leg is on the right leg. Adjust yourself. Keep your knees in a line. Now your left leg is on the right leg, so you have to take your left hand on the back and the right hand also. Try to touch your fingers and hold this position for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is called cow face pose, which is good for our digestion as well. Now come in butterfly posture. Come in butterfly posture. You have to hold your feet tight and just start your knees up and down, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your spine straight. Keep your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Butterfly is again very beneficial for our reproductive system, for digestion as well. Keep your spine straight. Now straighten your legs. Straighten your legs. Shake them. Now we will do some supine lying postures. So lie down on your mat. Lie down on your mat. Very good. Inhale and exhale. Now we will do the gas release pose or the Pavanamuktasana. Bend your right leg knee. Hold it with your both of your hands. Try to bring it near your chest. Inhale and exhale. Now try to touch your nose. Try to touch your nose to the knee and hold the position for at least 5 seconds. Meanwhile, you have to straight your another leg. Your another leg should be straight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back. Now with the left leg also, bend your left leg. Hold it with your both of your hands. Try to bring it to your chest. Inhale and exhale. Try to touch your nose to the knees. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now come back. Now both of your legs. Bend both your legs and hug them tightly. Hug them tightly and inhale and exhale. Try to touch nose to the knees and hold the position for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now come back. Inhale and exhale. Rest your body. Give rest to your body. Inhale and exhale. Now go ahead. Lift your legs up in 90-degree position and just hold the position. It is called Ardha Halasana. Keep your toes tucked in. Hold the position at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you don't have to bend your knees. This is the wrong position. This is wrong position. You have to straighten your leg. Don't bend your knees. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly come back. Now slowly come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now bend your knees and now bend your knees and hold your feet with the hands. Hold your feet with the hands. Now inhale and just lift the middle body or your abdomen. Just lift your middle body. Inhale and hold the position. Hold the position for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come down. It is a bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. Very good for spine flexibility. Now we will do the Sarvangasana. Bend your knees, hold your waist, bend your knees, hold your waist, and just try to lift your body. Just try to lift your body. Keep it straight, keep it straight. Hold the position for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back, slowly come back, slowly come back. Yes. Inhale and exhale. Give rest to your body. Now we have to make a pillow with our right hand. Make a pillow with your right hand. Now lift your left hand, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you have to touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold the position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come down. Now we have to repeat the same with another side. Just change the position. Just change the position. Now make a pillow with your left hand. Now lift your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And hold the position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly come down. Now we will do some prawn lying postures. So lie down on your stomach. Lie down on your stomach. Keep your hands near your chest. Keep your hands near your chest. Keep your chin on the ground. Inhale and exhale. Now breathe in and lift your upper body in cobra pose. You have to lift your upper body. Look at the ceiling. Don't pressurize your shoulders. You don't have to give pressure on the shoulders. Keep them free. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly come down. Keep your hands on the ground and take rest. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will do the Shalabhasana. Take your hands under your thigh. Take your hands under your thigh. Keep your chin on the ground. Now inhale and gradually lift your legs up. Hold the position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly come down. One more time. Inhale and lift your legs up as much as you can. Your chin should be remain on the ground. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly come back. Keep your hands near your chest. Now stand up and come on your knees. Now we will do cow cat. Inhale and lift your spine up. Exhale. Keep your spine down. This is cat, cow, cat, cow. Very good exercise for spine. Inhale, spine up. Exhale, spine down. Inhale, spine up. Exhale, spine down. Now keep your buttock on your feet. Keep your buttock on your feet. Keep your buttock on your feet. And slide your hands on the ground and touch your forehead on the ground. And take rest. This is child's pose, which gives very much relaxation to the body. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Now slowly come back. Now slowly come back. So we have done some asanas. Now we will do some breathing practices. So please came in cross leg position, Ardha Padmasana or the Padmasana. Whatever is comfortable to you, you can sit in. Now we will do a breathing practices which called Bhramari Pranayam. So keep your thumb in your ears and your fingers on the eyes. Now breathe in. Breathe out. With exhalation, you have to make a sound of buzzing bee. Bhramari is also known as the buzzing bee sound. So inhale, and with exhalation you have to produce sound of a buzzing bee. You don't have to give extra pressure on your eyes. Just slightly close your eyes. Now inhale. And with exhalation, try to produce the sound of a buzzing bee. One more time. Inhale. your hands on your knees, but don't open your eyes. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Bring your hands up and rub your palms. Try to produce the heat in your palms. Now you take your palms on your eyes. Gently open your eyes. Now today's demo session is end. I hope you like the whole session. Remember, it's only a demo class, so we have just practiced a few asanas of each type. We have do some prawn lying postures, we have do some supine lying postures as well. So I hope you like the demo session. Thank you to watch.